What's going on, plant peeps? We're talking about a holly today. No, we're not. We're talking about a false holly. This is Osmanthus. Can you believe it?
Tell me more.
Amazing. This thing looks just like a holly and is super duper prickly. Golly, you can hear me scratching through. Let me do the mic. Oh my Lord.
Stop it. Get some help.
Very prickly, but very beautiful. This is actually Osmanthus Gulftide, and the common name Gulftide false holly. Evergreen plant, so striking. We had to show this one to you today. Just so beautiful. I love the form. I love the texture. The color is nice, and it's an 8 to 10 evergreen grower. So it's going to give you screening. It's going to give you fill for all those spaces in your garden that you need to fill quickly and easily. You know, this is a great candidate for that. Very awesome plant, and it'll go with a lot of different things. So a lot of different textures, colors is a very good complement to this taller plant that you can plant around and under. So we're going to give you some good pan shots of this. As you can see, just so amazing. The prickly form of each leaf is so beautiful, and it just reminds you so much of the holidays, so much of the wreaths your mom and grandma used to make by hand. And it's so festive, you know, it's such a festive look. The new foliage is a lighter green, and as it matures, you're gonna get that nice dark green, heavy dark green, deep green foliage color. So in closing, add this to your next garden project. Winter all the time with this plant. You can't go wrong. Until next time, take care of those plants and they will take care of you.